Hello everyone. Hello guys, how are you? Okay, I guess am I audible and visible? Isn't guys, am I audible and visible? Can you please confirm? I hope so. So how are you everyone? Can you please say guys are fine, good, great. So guys, today's session basically I would be taking from I will be taking like a bar graph and a table chart both. Okay. So guys, from like I'm discussing this data interpretation basically from past 1 days. So we have done table, but we'll solve some of the questions of table as well, and we'll solve some of the questions of the bar graph also. Okay, but you might be understood that you might be getting my point that the concept involving in the DI, the concept involving in the DI is very very important. Concept. What kind of concept? The chapters of quant. I always said to everyone the chapters of quant, which is what? The first chapter which I said you is the percentage, right? Percentage. Then the second is basically ratio. I always said that work on a ratio, everyone. And the third is basically average. Now, if you know these things now, you can just start and you can clear your pre-examination, correct? If you know these things, you can clear your pre-examination, right? Because based on my analysis of past 7 years, I have just done guys analysis. The analysis was based on is based on past, I would say 5 to 7 years, where I have seen that if you have a core idea, where I'm saying this with like very much confident, I'm saying that if you have a core understanding of percentage, if you have core understanding of what I call it as a ratio, if you have a core understanding of what I call at an average, then I would say that you can solve any of the question, right? Like you can solve any of the questions. So these are like very important chapters if you want to clear your pre-examination. And in this course I am working on this part only. Okay, now let me just show you uh, uh, like if you talk that, so what in percentage is very big chapter. So in percentage I've said you know, percentage more or less of percentage, you can say that more and less of percentage. I always now based on this we'll solve a question right now with the previous year pyqs. Okay, with the pyqs. Okay. Then you would say that a is what percent of b, a is what percent of b. This is also I have made you solve, correct? In ratios, the equating part, ratio, the equating part, the equating part means according to me what is coming and according to the question what is mentioned. According to me what is coming, so you can note it down. According to me, according to me what is coming, and according to you what is coming, and according to you, according to the question what is basically equals to. This also I have guided to all of you. So these are the core areas of percentage. Now let me show you the question which I have taken. So this is a guys, I would say previous year question, everyone. You can see the question. I hope this is visible. This is a previous year question, which is I think visible. And what are the key requirements when you see this? So first I'll say that please look over the questions. I hope this is visible to all of you. Can you please see guys? Uh, we have a shop A and we have a shop B. Please read it. Please read everyone if you're watching me. So basically here you can see we have a shop A. We have a shop A which is red in color, and we have a shop B which is white in color. So you can also see that there is a need to understand the graph. Always understand. There's a need to understand. Need to like look over the graph. This is what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 5 basically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the gap is of 5. Okay, the gap is of 5. Is it right? You can see now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the lap is of basically 50 becomes 100, 100 becomes 150. The gap is of 50, 50 here. Okay, now pens is 200 in shop A, and shop B both. Basically shop A and shop B, we have a pens and pencils and eraser. Guys, read the following information carefully and answer the question given below. And the given bar graph shows the number of pens, pencils, and eraser sold by two different shops. So there are two shops, everyone, which is a shop A, and then we have a shop B. Shop A is selling a pen, pencil, and eraser, and shop B is selling pen, pencil, and eraser. Okay, fine. So we have a first question in front of you. Can you answer this? This is one of the graph. This is one of the graph. There is also one more graph, which is this one. So today agenda is we will solve two questions. Let me show you the question first, what we are going to solve today. This is basically second graph. Okay. Now second bar graph says that study the following information carefully and answer the given question. The given bar graph shows the digital and analog watch. So basically it is showing that digital and analog watch manufactured by company in 4 different years: 2017, 2018, 2019 and 2020. So these are the basically graph, and this is again I would say a previous year question, right? I hope you're getting. So this point is basically 200. If you note it down, this is 200 point, this is 100 point, this is 300 point, this is 110, I would say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is like 180. This is again 400. This is 300. This is how much? 200. This is 400. So these are the like important channelized form which you need to understand. Is it clear? Is it clear? So basically two questions we are going to solve. This is also I would say RRB prelims previous year question. RRB prelims question. This is RRB prelims. Okay. This is basically a question of RRB prelims. I think this was asked in 2018, I would say. No, not 2018. It was asked in 2024 or 2025. Okay. The PDF will be shared to you in the Telegram. So don't like worry about it. So guys, let's focus on the question, right? So we have a first question. I think this is more than enough for the visibility. If now see guys, every question in pre-level would have some like condition based questions. What is that condition based question? You will see the question starts from if, and if any question starts from if, this is called a condition based questions. This is called condition. Now if this condition qualifies, then further you can qualify the question, right? If this condition qualifies, then further you can read the like next para of the question. So first we need to understand about the if 2016 the total number of watches digital plus analog manufactured by the company is 37% more than that in 2020. Now 2016, 37% more. So basically in 2020, how many watches? The watches basically digital and analog. Okay. So guys, this is basically, if you read the chart, can you say this is 200? If this is 200, this is 400. So total watches how much in 2020? Come on, answer me. Let me write down in a and like so that it's visible to you. This is basically 200 and this is basically 400. So total watch in 2020 is how much? So first write down, okay, the total watch in 2020 is basically 200 plus 400, which is 200 plus 400, which is equals to 600. And this is like analog and digital both. This is like analog and digital both. Is it right or not? This is basically analog plus digital, right? And this is, according to the question, it is saying that 37% more. Okay, they are saying that 37% more. So can I say that 2016 is equal to 137 by 100? Because see, why I have used here 137, because I know that there is no trick of finding out 37% in the fractional form, right? See guys, there is no trick of writing down 37% in the fraction form. So 37% can be written in this format only, correct? Of what? Of this 600. Is it right or not? This gets cancelled out, okay? This gets cancelled out. The answer would be what? 2, then 2, then 8. So basically, now they are asking find the total number of watches manufactured in 2016. So basically 822 is the answer. Come on, have you guys got this? No. How come? I think, let me check in the comment section. Arul agree. Arul agree. How come you got 1422? I have done something wrong. I right though. I have done something wrong, everyone. Yeah. Now, is this clear now? Is this clear? Please say. See, there would be some logic. This is the question asked in, I would say, I don't know the exact paper name, but either it is asked in IBPS or it is asked in RRB. So you are practicing from the PYQ. Again, the concept here used is what? Percentage. You can see that the concept which we are using here is a percentage. So how percentage is helping you? Okay, no worries, no worries. I hope you understood. Now, guys, this whole PDF will be given to you in my Telegram channel. I hope everyone is a part of Telegram channel. I will give you this PDF with annotation, everyone. So please make sure that you are a part of our Telegram channel, of mine Telegram channel, right? If not, please say, then I'll share you my Telegram channel as well. Now, come on, solve this question. So this is the next question. Very easy, I would say. This is the next question, guys. Come on, let me solve you. Find the ratio of total number of watches, digital plus analog, manufactured in 2018 to 2020. Come on, answer me. Come on, answer me. Come on, answer me, guys, fast. Answer me this question. It's a very easy, I would say. 2018. If you guys are trying, come on, try. I'm just waiting for giving you the time. Okay, let me give you the time limit so that you could try. I'm giving you time of 1 minute because I know this is the foundation course, so I'm giving you the time of 1 minute. 1 minute. Time given, everyone. 5:6. Okay. I've got first answer, which is 5:6, which is we will wait for an option 5:6. I don't give options, guys, because this is my way of teaching, because I don't want to give you options in the exam in right now, because I want that everyone should solve. I'll give you the options in the mains examination. In in my mains, when I'll solve you the question of mains now, then I'll give you the option. I don't give options for the pre. Okay, let me see how many of you are solving. Okay, okay, okay. Now we have like 12 seconds more. We got only one answer. We have 12 seconds more. We got only one answer. So please wait, please wait, please wait. Okay, 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 fine. Time up. So guys, time up. Let me show you. Now, if I talk about 2018, see, in the first class I told you na, that in DI, the thing is important is data analysis. Data analysis. I always said that data means what? How you are analyzing the data, how you are seeing the particular data. Okay, this is like very important. So if I like, if I see this DI in 2018, the first part land up to 300. The second part land up to where? 220, I would say. Is it like right now? 220. So if I sum it up, 2018. So first part in 2018, I would say what? In 2018, I would say that, I would say that, see, I would say that uh, uh, analog is basically 300. Analog is basically 300. Digital is basically 220, right? So basically the total becomes what? 520. The total becomes 520. Now let's come for the digital. This is okay. Okay, now let's come for, sorry, analog and digital both now. So let's come for analog plus digital here also. And this was also analog plus digital. Fine. So let's come here. Now if I come here 2020, it would be like how much? 200 plus 400, 600. Is it right or not? Now you can see that 200 plus 400, which is nothing but 600. So now you can see the ratio would be, this goes 60 and 52. You can just cut it off. This goes by, let's say 30 times. This goes by 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12. This goes by 13 times, and this goes by 15 times. So the ratio would be 13:15. Isn't everyone is getting? No. It is 13:15. Yes or no? Come on, say. Yuva, I think Yuva had given me the wrong answer. Is it fine now? Anybody is having doubt, you can ask me. If guys see, if you are having a doubt, then ask. Is it clear? Ah, that's nice. I think Yuva, you have given me the wrong answer. Now it makes sense that it is right now. Okay, fine. Let's go for the next question. So this is what kind of PYQ we are discussing. So every question in the class is basically a PYQ. Now let me give you the timer also. No? Timer for more than 1 minute. Yo, more than 1 minute. Solve, everyone. Try understand the things. 30. Okay, 20. We got a frequent answer which is 20. Just wait. You have 50 seconds more. You have 50 seconds more, guys. Come on, wait. Time up. If the time is up, then find the difference between total number of digital watches manufactured in 2018. So we have just calculated 2018, na? We just calculated 2018. Okay, and 2020 together. So basically we want 2018 and 2020 together. So how come? Digital watches. Digital watches for 2020 is how much? 400. So write down 2020 digital watch. Digital watch is how much? 400. And 2018 digital watch is how much? 220. 2018 it is 220. If you add this, you are getting what? 620 na? 620. To the total number of analog watches manufactured in 2017 and 2019. 2017 analog watches 200 and 2019 400. So basically 2018 is 200. This is analog watch, and 2018 sorry 2019 2017 this is 2017 and this is 2019. This is basically 400. So that is 600. Is it right or not? So what is the difference? Is of 20. I hope this makes sense. Makes sense? Try this. Another question. Anyone else was there in the class? Do like the session. Everyone, do like the session. As all of you know, I don't give the options. Now here in this chapter, I can assure you there is a core usage of, you know what, which chapter? Percentage. A core usage of percentage. So let me make you explain this, okay? So let's come. So guys, first thing, first and the foremost, what is 9.09? See, understand every point. 9.09. This is basically 1 by 11, right? Clear. Now, if you multiply this by 6, you will get 54.54. So 54.54 is basically 6 by 11. This is the first point. Okay. Now, let's come to the second point. Second point is basically what is 37.5 percentage, which is for this you need to understand what is 12.5 percentage. 12.5 is basically 1 by 8. If you multiply this by 3, you land up to 37. So this is basically nothing but 3 by 8. Is it clear? As I said you, if the percentage which you have studied is you have that ability, the percentage which you have studied, you can see that percentage. You can see that percentage. And I have solved in my first class that these are called, in my language, these are called derivatives. So if you know to figure it out, the derivative in a manner which I have figured it out, this question is very easy, everyone. Okay. So if 37, again, see, try to understand that how examiner is asking the question. He has asked two questions which is of condition based, which contains if. He has asked two questions which is of condition based, which contains if. If means if 37.5% of analog watch manufactured in 2019 were sold, 2019 analog watch is how much? Which is nothing but 400, right? So basically you need to figure it out. You need to figure it out 3 by 8 of 400. Correct or not? Which is what? 8 5s are, which is what? Which is basically 150. So this were sold. Okay, fine. Were sold, and 54.5% of digital watches manufactured in 2018 were sold. 2018 digital watch were sold. 2018 digital watch means how much? Means how much? 220. So basically now here you can write that 6 by 11. 6 by 11 of 220, which is nothing but 11 2 ja 20. This comes like 120. Is it clear? These are the things which he said to figure it out. No worries, everyone. Any doubt? No. So then find the sum of digital watches in 2018 and 2019. So this is like digital watches in 2018 and analog watches in 2019. Can you figure it out now? Is this clear till now? They are saying to find the sum of digital watches in 2018. So digital watch in 2018 is how much? 220, which is 120. Correct. And an analog watch in 2019 is how much? 150. This normal calculations is required now. Normal calculation is required now. I hope you understanding that whenever you see, guys, whenever you see this kind of fractions, always remember my word, these are those fractions or those percentage which have their derivatives. These are those percentage which you need to understand that this can be easily written in the format of fractions. This can be easily written in the format of fractions, and you need to have that idea that how to convert this percentage into fractions. Any doubt, please comment. Any doubt in this? I don't. And again saying, this is a previous year question. You can just click on this question. This is a previous year question, guys. I will also share the PDF in my Telegram for today's class. Should we move forward? Come on, say yes or no. Understood? Should we move forward? Come on, say. Let's come on solve this question. Again, a very good question, I would say. I'm giving you time of 2 minutes. Just solve. The more the question you will solve, the more you will get everything. As I said, now time is up. Now let's understand. Again, I would repeat one point. As I said, see guys, as I said now, if you want to clear your pre-examination, mind my word, if you all want to clear your pre-examination, then your chapter of DI roams around. Your chapter of DI basically roams around percentage, ratio, and average. And I would add one my point, which is calculation. That's it. These are the 4 chapters which can clear your pre at any cost. That's a very important thing. Let me start this question first. Let's understand. First of all, guys, as I have guided you the percentage earlier, so this is like 16.67%, which is what? More and they're talking about. So first of all, 16.67 percentage is 1 by 6. Correct? For this, you need to be very quick that you can answer. Now they are saying more, then add the plus sign, which becomes 7 by 6. Correct? More than the given value. If digital watches manufactured in 2017 is itna percent more, 2017 digital watch is how much? Basically, it is 120. So of 120, this gives me what? 6 2s are 20, 7 2s are, which becomes like 140. Is it right? Now from here to here, this point is clear to me. I hope this makes sense to everyone. Okay. Now, then by what percent manufacturing of analog watch get reduced, keeping manufacturing of total watches same as previous? Now see, the by what percent manufacturing of analog watch get reduced? By what percent you want to get reduce analog watch so that analog watch manufacturing of an analog watch get reduced, keeping manufacturing of total watches. So the total watches is how much? How much? Come on, say. Total analog watch is basically 140. Total watch is basically how much? Because they are asking that total watch. Analog watch get reduced, keeping the manufacturing of total watches same. So total watch is basically how much? 200 plus, basically 200 plus 120. 200 plus 120, which is how much? 320. Is it right? So now they are saying that how much it should get reduced so that total watches remains the and analog watches should get the same. How it is? Come on, say. Reduce. Now have you got the my total watch in 2017 is 320 na? 320. Correct. This is my total watch. This is my total watch. Some of you are saying 10. No, try to keep in mind. How come 10? It will be 10. No, not 10. Try to figure it out. Come on, understand the logic. Not 10. Again, read the question. By what percent manufacturing of analog watch get reduced? Earlier analog watch is how much? It is 120. Now it becomes 140. So you will reduce na. 20 you will reduce na. You will reduce 20 now because earlier it was 120. Now it becomes 140. You will reduce 20. Please say, everyone got this? You will reduce 20 from the total watches. Is this clear? Yuva, is this clear? You will reduce 20 now. Is this line clear? Earlier it was 120, now it becomes 140. You will reduce your analog watch with 20. Okay, that's fine. I hope you understood. Now see, if you gone through all these things, you have understood that how we are solving, how the percentage helping you solve a previous year question. Is it right? How percentage helping you solve a previous year question. This is very, very important chapter. Let me show you one more question so that you will have a clear idea of bar graph. Okay. Now this is the question, guys. Come on. Please read it. Okay. Let's see this. Now come on. For this, what we are having, you need to understand. Okay. We are only having two companies, which is we are having like two shops. Okay. We are having how much? We are having two shops. We are having shop A and we are having shop B. Now see how this question becomes easy for you. And then we are having like ears. Let it be ears. Then we are having like pen. Then we are having like pencil. And then we are having like eraser. Correct na? These things we are having, keeping in mind. A is basically red color, 200, 180 and 120. 200, 180 and 120. Now for B, 160, 220. 160, 220 and then 140. This is the how you have converted your bar graph into a table form. Okay, sir, please explain the previous. Okay, which one? Please wait, let me explain one more previous question. Talking about this one. Okay, this is digital now. Sorry. So the answer should not be 20 because you have analog watch 200. Okay. By what percent manufacturing of analog watches get reduced, keeping the manufacturing of total watches same as the previous? Now see, the total watch is basically 320 now. Now 140 is the digital watch. To make it like 320, how much you need? Correct now? I hope now it is fine. Please say. 180. So 180 is the answer. Is this clear now? Fine, fine, 180. I thought this was, sorry, Arul, I thought this was my analog watch. Now it's fine now? The question is what? Reduce keeping. Okay, if this would be 120, to make it 320, how much your your analog watch would be? Okay, wait. I think I have done something wrong. This would be 200. So wait a minute. So basically this is like 20. 10% is the answer. Answer is 10% now. 10% is the answer. Yes, you were right. 10% reduce. Okay, fine. I think I have done something wrong. Yes, fine. Basically, earlier it was 200, now it is 180 na. So we are comparing like 200 from 180. Okay, fine. No worries. Okay, now it is clear. Can we move to the next question? Please say. Can we move to the next question? Is it clear now? Okay, I've done means. So this is the basically table, and how I have changed this table to like this one. Okay. Earlier I was not seeing your comments, so that's why I haven't looked. So now I hope you got this clear, everyone. Let's come to the question now. This is the first question. Come on, try. So first of all, you should have a clear your that table chart of A and B. Two hundred, 180 and 120. 200, 180 and 120, 160, 220, 160, 220 and 140. Come on. Try this question. The number of pencils and erasers sold by shop A. Shop A, pencil and eraser. This is my pencil, pen. This is my pencil, my eraser. So basically how much it is? 180 plus 220, 180 plus 120, which is 300. Correct? Is what percent more than the pen sold by shop B? Pen sold by shop B, 160. Now can you figure it out the percentage more? Just figure it out the percentage more. Come on, say fast. 140 more. By how much? 160 multiplied by 100. 0, 0 cancelled out. 8 times, 5 times, 4 times, 70 times, 2 times, 35 times, 35 into 2.5, 5 by 2, which is 32.5, 32.5 into 5, approximately you can say 57%, 57%, right? 57% would be, or 87, 87 I would say, 87%. Is this clear? Yeah. 87.5%. Calculate. So, I will share this, guys, I will share this whole PDF in my Telegram. Yeah, 87.5%. I will share this whole PDF in my Telegram. I hope you guys are part of the Telegram. So guys, today means yesterday I've also started the DI. Today also we are solving like previous year questions. Okay. Keep in mind, see the PDF is getting ready. The PDF is getting ready. So I hope that you guys are there in my Telegram. So let me just. So I hope you really like the class, everyone. As I said, follow the foundation course of mine. Soon, basically on Oliveboard, I'm also teaching live. So on Oliveboard, I'm also teaching live. Okay, we are teaching live. We are teaching you for the foundation. Foundation, basically, the whole foundation is in English language. Okay. The whole foundation is in English language, so you can subscribe to this channel also, and channel also. And soon we are starting advanced level batch. Soon we are starting advanced level batch, so you can also enroll there. Till then, guys, if you have any query, you can ask me. If you have any query, please ask me, everyone. Telegram group name. Okay, let me show you the Telegram. Telegram group name is basically Quant underscore study underscore group. This is my Telegram. Till then, bye bye everyone. Bye guys. Signing off, Agnimitra.